In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel NordVPN auto-renewal and request a refund under the 30-day guarantee. Let's get started by signing in. Open your browser, go to the official NordVPN website, and log into your account. Use the same account you used when you purchased your subscription so the system can locate your plan. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that as well, and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in your account dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find the billing section. Click it to open your subscription details. This is where you'll see your active plan, renewal date, and payment status. Next, stop future charges by turning off auto-renewal. Find your active subscription. Look for the option labeled auto-renewal and click Manage next to it. Choose Cancel Auto-Renewal and confirm when prompted. This prevents the plan from renewing at the end of the current term. It does not immediately cancel your existing access, so you can keep using the service until your current period ends. Now it's time to reach out to support to request your refund. From the website, open the live chat or select the email form to contact the support team. Live chat is typically the fastest. When you connect, clearly state that you want to cancel and request a refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee. Keep your message simple and polite. Be ready to verify your identity. Support may ask you to confirm basic account details or recent payment information to ensure they're helping the rightful account holder. Answer only what is necessary and follow their instructions carefully. This is a routine step to protect your account. After that, the agent will outline the refund details. Review the refund summary, including the amount and the method it will be returned to, and follow any prompts to confirm. If they send a confirmation link or summary, make sure you acknowledge it. It's a good idea to ask for a confirmation email and save a copy of the chat transcript for your records. Once confirmed, refunds can take up to 10 business days to appear, depending on your bank or payment provider. Keep an eye on your email for status updates and check your statement after a few days. If you don't see the refund after the full processing window, reach back out to support with your case reference. That's it. You've turned off auto-renewal, contacted support, requested your refund under the 30-day guarantee, verified your identity, and confirmed the refund summary. Thanks for watching.